TUDOR Pelagos 39 watch. Main features are: case is 39mm Grade 2 titanium case with satin finish. Movement is manufacturer caliber MT5400 COSC. Self-winding mechanical movement with bidirectional rotor system. Power reserve is approximately 70 hours. Winding crown. Grade 2 titanium screw-down crown and adorned with the TUDOR shield in relief. Waterproof to 200 m, 660 feet. Bezel. Grade 2 titanium unidirectional rotating bezel with insert and sunray, satin finish, ceramic and luminous material. Dial black sunray satin finish with sandblasted flange and monoblock luminescent ceramic composite hour markers. Crystal is sapphire crystal. Bracelet, titanium bracelet with TUDOR T-fit folding clasp, safety catch, and diver's extension. Complementary black rubber strap with pin buckle and diver's extension included in the box.